Hello, everyone. My name is Steve Ligori. I've been a stock and options trader for over 17 years, as well as an instructor, coach, and mentor for thousands of students. While I love trading, my true passion is teaching. With my coaching students, I focus not only on strategies, skills, and trade management, but also on the mental side of trading. The key to successful trading is to become more mechanical and less emotional in what you trade, how you manage your trades, and how you exit your trades. When you're trading mechanically, you have a plan and you're just implementing that plan. When you are trading emotionally, oftentimes fear and greed take over. This can cause you to stay in losing trades too long and take some large losses, as well as exit your winners prematurely. In this course on high probability butterfly spreads, we will first discuss the basic butterfly spread, throw in a few variations of location and strike width, and finish with a modified butterfly that can provide a high probability of profit with very little trade management required. And of course, there will be some trade examples as well. So let's get started.